Up there is my VAV controller. It controls the electric damper and also the ball valve actuator for the heat. You check voltage output on the transformer, looking for 24 volts AC. This powers up our VAV controllers. You may or may not be getting voltage to them. So I'm going to give it a check. Hopefully you can see the meter. Looking for 25 volts. And we have 25. There's 5 outputs. I'm going to check all 5. Second one, 25 volts. Third one, 25 volts. Fourth one, 25 volts. And the fifth, again, 25 volts, so that's good. I was kind enough to label the circuit, the 24 volt loop 2. So I just went back to that transformer we looked at and confirmed we had 24 volts at the outputs. I turned it off, loop 2, output 2, and my controller LEDs are off. So there's no power now. What I'm doing is just cycling the power, see what happens. I'm gonna go back and turn that output 2 back on. Back to the electrical room. Here's my 5 outputs. And this is the one that I turned off, going with the light off. Go ahead and turn it back on. And go check the operation of that VAV controller. So the LED lights should be back on the controller, showing it's powered up. Which it is. This is the front end of the VAV controller, DDC system, so you either need to see it on a laptop or on a network on a computer. So what I was trying to do earlier was heat up the space. We're at 69 degrees. It was 68 when I started. We're asking for 200 CFM, and just because I power cycled it, it looks like it stroked all the way open, and it'll take time. The actuator on the damper will keep nudging close till we get to 200, and then should hold. I should be calling for heat, and I'll find out if I'm getting any heat this time. I don't think it's gonna work, but it's a first attempt try, since all the system is microprocessors, and just like your computer or your phone, sometimes you have to reboot it. Okay, I gave it 15 minutes for the unit to settle down. Excuse me, catch up with the actuator position at 13%. My actual airflow station is reading 200 CFM. The controller is asking for 200 CFM. My heating actuator on the boiler water valve is commanded at 100%. And the discharge air temperature sensor, maybe 5 feet down the duct, is reading 91 degrees. What doesn't show here is my primary air from the air handler is 57 degrees. So I have heat across the coil, and my space temp will continue to rise to set point. So in a nutshell, this was a success. And my set point is 75.5. That makes my heating set point 74.5, and my cooling set point 76.5. So I am a bit surprised, but not really. Like I said, it is a DDD system, and occasionally these computers do lock up the controls. This is a success. If you like this video, please help me out and hit that thumbs up. We'll see you on the next one.